A terrifying natural disaster caught on camera has once again struck Indonesia. This disaster began with the arrival of extreme weather, accompanied by heavy rain and strong winds, affecting the districts of Badung, Jembrana, Gianyar, Tabanan, Klungkung and Karangasem in Bali Province. A tornado even damaged a cafe building on Batu Bolong Beach, Canggu Village, North Kuta, Badung Regency, on Wednesday, March 19, 2025.
The extreme weather brought strong gusts of wind that caused damage to several restaurants and food stalls in the Batu Bolong Beach tourist area. Equipment and outdoor decorations were scattered. Building roofs were torn off and blown away, and both residents and tourists at the scene panicked and ran for safety.
Gotong royong, gotong royong.
In addition to toppling trees, the strong winds also destroyed several structures, including the Bale Gong building at Pura Batur kulibul kawan in Tibubeneng Village, North Kuta District, and the Bale Pasandekan building at Pura Dalam Khayangan Celuk in the traditional village of Padang, Luwih. Furthermore, the tornado also brought down the Pura Desa Munti Gunung temple building in Karangasem Regency.
Bale Gong, ring Pura Batur, itu kan terjang untuk angin lagi, buat lagi titiang ring Pura Batur lagi.